Sparkle Kids.
Choo-choo-choo, come ride the train through the sunshine, snow or rain. Hop aboard and count with me from 1 to 10 so happily. One is the engine ready to go, blowing steam and saying hello. 2 little wheels go round and round, rolling fast across the ground. 3 bright lights go blink, 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 red, blue, green, what do you think? 4 funny frogs hop on with cheer, ribbit and giggle as they steer. 5 balloons go floating high, waving colors in the sky, in the sky. 1 to 5 and having fun, counting stars and chasing sun. Next stop coming, don't be late. Let's count more, it's gonna be great. 6 silly ducks go quack, quack, quick, marching left and right real slick. 7 sweet bears bring some pie, smells so good as we ride by. 8 bouncing balls go boyin', 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 jumping along to the numbers song. 9 kittens meow with happy purrs, wearing cute little striped furs. 10 stars shine up above, lighting our train with sparkle and love. Now we've counted 1 to 10, let's go back and count again. With the choo-choo sound and numbers bright, we had a joyful counting ride.